Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make amazing banana bread with my stepmom's favorite recipe. First step is to ask a parent to preheat the oven. Next, we will need to peel the bananas. They're very cold, and the trick is to use overripe bananas. Super cold. These ones are brown because they were frozen. Get the last piece of banana out. And now we need to mash the bananas. And then we're going to set it aside for later. So you are going to get a new bowl now, and then we're going to measure our dry ingredient. First, we are going to fill a 1.5 cup with flour. And now we are going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now we need to mix it. Which is probably going to do nothing because mixing powders doesn't really do anything. And now I've learned that it's actually important to mix the dry ingredients. But like in other experiments, sometimes it doesn't really do anything. And now we're gonna put this aside for later as well. For the next 4 ingredients, we will need to put our butter and make sure it's all out. And brown sugar. And after this, we are going to mix it. Oh my, it just looks like wet sand. And we're going to mix it until the brown sugar dissolves and put it to the first level. Okay, so we're done. And now I will crack my egg. So now I need to put the vanilla, and then I'm going to beat it up again until it's smooth. So I just put 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and as my Nana Janice likes to say, a glug. And I will beat it up again until it's smooth. So now we are going to mix our other stuff, so our dry ingredients and our bananas. So let's go. Outside. now we need to put this in the oven, and to do that we're going to put it on a greased pan. We need to put it in the oven for 35 minutes, and we will check in once it's done. And here is the banana song. Bananas unite. Peel, banana. Peel, peel, banana. Peel, banana. Peel, peel, banana. Slice, banana. Slice, slice, banana. Slice, banana. Slice, slice, banana. Mash, banana. Mash, mash, banana. Mash, banana. Mash, mash, banana. Eat, banana. Eat, eat, banana. Eat, banana. Eat, eat, banana. Go, bananas. Go, go, bananas. Go, bananas. Go, go, bananas. So what you just saw was me doing the toothpick test to see if it was good. And now I'm going to test it. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if it's good. It's actually very good. Bye bye. See you in the next video.